Welcome everyone. Your iPhone is stuck in the zoom mode. Like what? So the fix is you're gonna get three fingers, and I want you to just double tap the screen. So tap tap, and we'll exit the zoom mode. But to prevent that from ever happening again, let's open up the settings, and I want you to find the home page of settings. You're going to swipe down next to your name, and you're going to search for zoom, and don't select display zoom, select the zoom which is in the accessibility. And I want you to turn this one off entirely like this. If you actually want to use the zoom feature, let's turn back on the zoom, and what we can do is we're just going to double tap again to close, and you're going to see the zoom region. You may want to change this one to just window zoom. Maybe that's what you needed. We'll double tap with three fingers to get the window zoom, and you can move this around with the bar. You can tap here to change the settings, and then three finger double tap. There we go. Make sure when you do this, you tap within the zoom window if it is a window to close, but I think most people will just turn that one off. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.